Hello, it's Angeline. I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp today, and although we are in a brand new year, let's not forget the old and the vintage things from our past, which is so cool, like this new stamp set called the Old Ways with this old-fashioned telephone set. Oh my goodness, who remember these? These are so much fun, which I'm gonna be coloring them with some distressed crayons today to give them some vintage kinda distressed look. So I've already stamped the telephone set all over my card to create this unique background, and I'm gonna color in with the distressed crayons directly. As you can see, you just need a little bit, and then grabbing my water brush to just pull the color all around the telephone set. If you want a darker color, you can always add more color to it to get a brighter look. If you do not want to add water, it's alright as well. You can use the crayons to color directly onto it and get a richer, kind of more opaque look. So here I'm just going to color in the rest of the telephone sets with the colors and just let the music play. So for my background, I'm grabbing the distressed crayons and coloring it onto my acrylic block, then grabbing my water brush and just painting the background in. This will give you a more controlled way to color in and also creates the watercolored effect on your card. Once you're happy with your coloring, just add your sentiment in, which I've also distressed it with some distressed inks. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!